Hi guys, this is Kerry Painter from the Dare to Dream team, and if you are following through and getting yourself set up, this is video 2 of setting up Aweber. In this video we're going to cover how to create a list. It's a very quick and easy process, so if you just follow along you will be absolutely fine. If you are looking at my screen now, you will notice that I am already logged into Aweber. So if you just want to pause the video, if you're not already logged in, and log yourself in and then restart as soon as you are on the same page that I am. Okay, so I'm going to assume that you're logged in and that you're on the same page as I am. And if this is your first time in Aweber, you will have a list which is called default, followed by a bunch of numbers. If you look at my screen, you'll see it says Empower You, because I've already set up my list. I'm just literally walking you through the process. So on the top left hand side, next to, I believe it's next to the lists that we've already got, you will see a button called Create and Manage Lists. You're going to click on that button and you're going to wait until the page loads. Once you've clicked on that button and the page is loaded, you will see that on the right hand side there is a button called Create List, which you're going to click on. Okay, so once you've clicked on this, you will see you've got a form to fill in. The first form field is list name. You don't put any spaces in, don't put any odd things in, just find a list name that works. If it comes up and it doesn't work and somebody else has got it, it's happened to me because it's Empower Network and it's also Aweber, and people use Aweber an awful lot. It's a very popular autoresponder. So if it does, you will see a bunch of ideas that Aweber gives you. You can either tick the box and pick one of those, or you can simply rewrite your name and try again. Okay, so from there, you're going to put in your list description. Now, bear in mind that your potential teammates will see this, so it needs to be kind of snappy and it needs to say exactly what the list is designed to do. Obviously, you don't want to say, this is my list and I'm going to sign you up to Empower Network, but tell them what value being on this list is going to give them. Tell them benefits, that kind of thing. So it's going to tell them how to create a residual income without having to spend hours online, and give them the freedom that they want, etc, etc, etc. Okay, so once you've done that, you will put in your name, because that's got to go on your emails. Every email you send has to have certain pieces of information in it, and your name obviously is one of them, because you don't want this to look like just some list that's been automatically generated, which, although it is, it'll turn your prospects off if they think that that's the case. The next field is your email address. You're just going to type that in. The next field is your address. Now, you've got to have this in for legal purposes. You can't set up an email list without it. It's not allowed. It's to do with email spam, etc, etc. Okay, the next step is notifications. Now, you want to make sure that you are notified when people sign up to your list, and so what you need to do here is you put in your name again and your email address. Now, it could be the same one that's going in your, the first email address field. That's fine, it doesn't matter. But once you've done that, you then click add, and then you click save, and that's this bit of the email list setup done.